In this video, you will learn how to apply for Section 8 housing in New York, check eligibility requirements, review the income limits, citizenship status and family size qualifications set by the New York City Housing Authority or the NYCHA or your local housing agency. Gather required documents. Collect documents such as proof of income, photo ID, social security number and birth certificate, as well as rental history for housing non-members. Visit the official Section 8 application website, go to the self-service portal or your local public housing authority website and open the application. Complete the online application form. Fill in all the necessary details such as your income, employment, family information or current housing situation. Submit your application. Note your confirmation number. After submitting, save or print your confirmation number. It's important to keep tracking your application status. Wait for placement on the waiting list. Once you're submitted, your application will be reviewed. If eligible, you'll be placed on a waiting list until a housing or voucher becomes available to you. Now you know. Now you know how to apply for Section 8 housing in New York. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.